Greetings, Accounting 201 students. I am going to demonstrate Do It 3-3 for you today. I think it will help you when you go to journalize your own transactions in different problems that you have to complete for this chapter. In your book, it is on page 139. In Do It 3-3, you're going to record business activities. It says Phil Eubanks engaged in the following activities in establishing his photography studio. Picture this. The first one, opened an account in the name of Picture This and deposited $8,000 of his own money into his account in exchange for common stock. The two accounts that are affected are cash, because he deposited $8,000. Cash is an asset account. Assets increase on the debit side, so we're going to debit cash for $8,000. The other account affected is common stock, and common stock is going to be credited. Common stock is a stockholder's equity account. It will increase on the credit side. So we'll go to our journal. We will type in the date. I'll just make one up for this time, the 29th. We will debit cash for $8,000. And then we will credit common stock. Remember, our credits are going to be indented a little bit for $8,000. And as you can see, our debits equal credits. Remember, that's one important part when we are journalizing. Our debits always equal credits. Transaction number 2. It says purchase photography supplies at a total cost of $950. The business paid $400 in cash, and the balance is on account. So this transaction is a little bit different in the fact that we're going to have two credits, but we will always make sure our debits equal credits. Supplies is an asset account. Assets are going to be increased on the debit side, so supplies is going to be debited for the $950. Our other two accounts we have are cash. It says he paid cash. So cash is an asset account. If you pay cash, it's going to decrease, so that's going to be a credit. We'll credit our cash. And the rest of it, the balance, is on account. On account means it is accounts payable. Accounts payable is a liability account. We will owe more, so it's going to increase accounts payable, and they are increased on the credit side. So the transaction in the journal will look like this. We'll use the same date. Our debit is supplies, $950. I didn't think it'd come back. Our credit, remember, we're going to indent. One of them is cash, and that is $400. And the other is going to be accounts payable. So even though we have, and we would subtract $950 from $400, we still owe $550. So looking at this, our two credits equal our one debit. Debits always equal credits. The last transaction obtained estimates on the cost of photography equipment from 3 different manufacturers. Well, this really isn't a transaction at all. There's been no change in money. So that is just something that happened in the business that day. So that would not even be recorded. I hope this has helped you in clearing up any questions you might have about recording transactions in the General Journal.